for bear. Boop, boop, boop. Ball and bear. C is for cat. C is for car. Coo, coo, coo. Cat and car. D is for dog. D is for drum. D, D, D. Dog and drum. E is for elephant. E is for elbow. E, E. Elephant, elbow. F is for fish. F is for flower. F, f, f. Fish and flower. G is for goat. G is for guitar. G, g, g. Goat, guitar. H is for hat. H is for hammer. H, H, H. H and hammer. I is for igloo. I is for island. E, E, E. Igloo island. J is for juice. J is for jet. J, J, J. Juice and jet. K is for kite. K is for key. K, K, K. Kite and key. L is for lion. L is for lamp. L, L, L. Lion, lamp. M is for monkey. M is for mouse. Monkey, mouse. N is for nest. N is for net. Nest and net. O is for orange. O is for owl. O, O, O. Orange owl. P is for panda. P is for pen. P, P, P. Panda, pen. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q, Q, Q. Queen, quilt. R is for rabbit. R is for rocket. Rabbit, rocket. S is for sun. S is for ship. Se, se, se. Sun and ship. T is for tiger. T is for tent. T, T, T. Tiger, tent. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Umbrella, uniform. V is for van. V is for vase. V, V, V. Van and vase. W is for watch. W is for whale. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Watch, whale. X is for foil. X is for x-ray. X, X, X. Some x-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yogurt. E, E, E. Yo-yo, yogurt. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Z, Z, Z. Zebra, zip. ABC Phonics, sing with me. Learning letters happily.
Bye-bye, kids! See you again! Subscribe our channel at How Tiny Smart World.